Hello everyone, and welcome to another tutorial where I'll be showing you every single Windows character that you didn't know existed. So let's get into it. First of all, you start by pressing the start key, and once you get there, you open this. Then you scroll the way down to Windows Accessories, then you click Character Map, and this comes up right here. So as you can see, you have all these signs and symbols. Some are very familiar, but some are pretty confusing. And I'm going to walk you through how they operate. So first of all, you can choose whatever font you wish, and I'm going to just go if, go through over a few, and then we'll see how it goes from there. So we're going to start with classic Arial. So I scroll the way up, and then you see all this. So let's say you're writing, let's say just something on your computer, and you wanted a sign but you didn't know where to find it. This is where to find it. You can just go here, and you look for the signs um by I, which is very strenuous, very strenuous. But since the whole thing is small, I guess it won't be too hard if you know exactly what you are looking for. So I'm going to go up all the way here, and just to show you, I'm going to click something like the send sign. If you double tap, it shows in this slot right here that characters to copy. It shows up. I'm going to click the pound and this sign, the crow sign, and reserved copy, and yeah. And I'm going to show you, if you just press characters to copy right here and you press copy, you can go to where you are writing your essay or all that. Then you can go to notepad or where you're writing it, and then since I'm using notepad, I'm just going to press Ctrl V, and then it shows up right here. Depending on what font size you're using, I'm using a very small font size, so it shows up very small. And that's basically how it works. So I'm just going to be showing you some other things about it. So let's say I wanted to search. Okay, once you go to character map, you see yours like this. So you have to click the advanced view, and then you can search for maybe a letter. I'm just going to search for letter S, and I'm going to press search, and then it shows this number signs. It thinks I'm looking for a sign, so this is what's going to come up. Okay, then we have the letter S, which I'm looking for. So I'm just going to look for let's say I'm looking for ampersand. So the search ampersand, and sorry, I'm just going to reset that. I'm going to search for ampersand, and I'm just going to press search, and then it brings this up where I can just double tap, and it comes up this the Arabic sign for ampersand, but it's the English sign I'm looking for. Then you just press copy, and there you go. There's something I should also tell you. If you go to Webdings, which happens to be my favorite font, and you can see here all these Webdings. Unfortunately, you can't really search for a Webding, unfortunately. But something I've noticed, once you try and look for the characters to copy, and you press something like spider, star, something like that, it shows this. So and if I press select, it doesn't really work. It doesn't work at all. And what else? So if I wanted the spider sign, I could double tap, double tap. Yeah, it seems to work here. But then when I want to copy, um it won't work. For example, let me write something like this. I'm just going to press copy, then I'm going to go to notepad, I'm going to press enter, and then I wrote subscribe, but what came up was this in the character map, but instead this is what showed up here. And this is what I've noticed, that once you type something like this in Webdings to look for a character or to copy a character, this is what comes out. And I guess it's pretty normal, because I think Notepad doesn't accept Webdings, but I'm just going to leave that. So I wrote subscribe, which you totally should if you haven't subscribed already. And please like this video, it really helped me a lot. So yeah, that is basically the entire walkthrough on Windows character map. And there are also other things that you can do here. Searching for other um give me a second, searching for other languages. So if I go to area, I can go to press the advanced view again. Just gonna remove that, and I can choose my character sets, whether Greek, Hebrew, Japanese, Chinese, Thai, Western. It depends on what you are basically looking for. And that is the entire walkthrough on the Windows character map. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.